Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to bold text in Google Docs. So first we need to select the text which we want to bold. So for example, I select this part of the text, most popular winter activities in the world. And now if I would like to bold this text, I need to click on this one option. This option is bold. After that we will get this effect, and how you see text is bold now. But if you would like to remove this effect, you need to click on this one icon again. Then text will go back to previous style. Remember that you can try alternative method to bold text. For example, I'm going to select this part of the text. While the idea is simple, if I want to bold it, I can try to use shortcut from my keyboard Ctrl B. If I will use this combination of keys, we will get the same effect and the text will be bold. If you will use the combination of the keys again, we will go back to previous style. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.